Hello everyone, my name is Julie Hadad, Data Analyst. Today I'm going to share how to complete a virtual internship task to add this in your review. See here, this is a forage.com link. Please go here and make your account here, sign in. Once you have logged in here or made your account, then go to explore. If you are finding the tasks for data analyst or data science, please go here to explore any job simulation. Go to data. The career interest is data. All the companies. I have completed here a Tata Group where you can see the computer science is there. Here you can see six the companies are there with their tasks. There are six different companies with the tasks. First one is Tata Group. Second one is BCG, British Airways, Quantum, Commonwealth Bank, BCGX, whichever you want, you can just select and do your task if you know. First, I'm showing you how to do this Tata Group task, which I've completed, I think, yesterday or yesterday. So here you click on it. First, you have to log in here, then only you can operate this. So you can see I've already completed the program here. Great work. We will save the okay. Let's start task one. I will show you how to do this. I'll share my experience. It will help you. Task one is the first task one, task overview. They have given this task name is framing the business scenario. Okay. What you will learn? Here are some questions. What you will learn? What you have to do? You have to write a question that you think will be important and relevant to CEO and CM. This is a video you have to listen it. Next, I know this, so I'm just little fast forwarding it. So here is the background information of your task. This is the information of our online retail store has hired you as a consultant. Okay. You have to write some questions regarding to the online retail store about the performance, the factors, sales, revenue, etc. You have to write this, the questions to CEO and CMA. Okay. First read this detail carefully. You can just click on next. Here is your task. You have to write, you have to draft some questions that you think will be important relevant to the CEO and CMA. Okay. Just read this. You have to write each 8 questions, sorry, each 4 questions, total 8 questions. This is a data set. I have already downloaded this data set here. I will show you. Yes. Here you can see this is a data set of that online retail store. Invoice number, stock code, description, quantity, invoice date, unit price, customer. First, you have to check this data and have to write 4 questions for each CEO and CM regarding the sales, revenue, products, strategy, etc. Let's go ahead. Here are some websites. Then you can easily go and check what questions you can make. I have made here some questions for CEO, there are 4 questions, and for CMA, 4 questions. Okay. So next, just you have to answer it and just click on submit button. And then after you submit the task, they will share you an example answer, which questions you can ask them. Here you can see 4 questions for each. Okay. Nice. Okay. Starting task. Okay. Here it is choosing the right visual. Task overview. How to choose visuals to communicate information effectively. Here, This is a video. Okay. Just listen. There is a background information here. You can You have been asked by a CEO and CMO to provide visuals on the metrics that they will wish to analyze for the online retail store. Here, they will provide you some questions regarding the data set. You have to answer to which data visual will be used. Okay, correct visual. They will provide you some questions, information about how the sale is there, how the performance of the business is going. You have to write which chart or visual is suitable for particular questions. So here are some charts that show how to choose a right chart for it. If you don't know how to choose, then here is a website. Just click on this. You will be seeing right chart, visual introduction, importance of data visualization. Here are some charts that you can go through. Okay. Just log in. I have not logged in. Here are some charts, line chart, area chart, column chart. Okay, just go through. Here are some examples how to choose right data visualization, etc. You can go through it. Here you can see the 30 to 60 minute time is there. You can easily go through it if you don't know how to do this. Start the quiz. Here are 5 questions. Here you can see this is a question, and you just have to click here. There are total 5 questions. Just complete nice work. Move further. This is a task 3, creating an effective visual. Here they have given you the problem statement. You have to just create a visual. Not a problem statement. They have shown you a data. Okay. Just read this video. Sorry, just listen this video. Here is the background information of this task. Please read the whole information. Take your time and read the whole background information. Then only you will understand what you have to do. Okay. You have to create a data visuals around 4 questions. They will provide you 4 questions. You have to make a visual for CEO and CMO. You can use any of you can use any of this Power BI or Tableau. First, you have to clean the data. Okay. These are the 4 questions. Here you can see question 1 is regarding the revenue data of the particular year 2011. Okay. Revenue for each month. So question number 2 for top 10 countries. Here you have to give some filters also. Top 10 customers for revenue. First year. These are the insights of demand for highest products. Okay. Here is, if you don't have Tableau or Power BI, you can easily download from here. And this is online data set which are already downloaded. This is the data set which they have provided. Okay. Resources of Tableau visual, hence they will show you how to do this. Okay. I think this is question paper itself. Then you have to save your task and just submit it. I will show you how to do. This is some answers. This is first question. This is second question. Okay. Okay. Next. This is an example answer. You have to just click on it and you will get the answers. In each and every questions or task, after you submit the questions, so after you submit the answer, there are examples also, example answers. So how can you solve this question further? If you don't know, if you don't understand it, you can see this example answers. Okay, nice work. Now this task 4. Start the next task. Here, how to present effectively this to senior leadership, communicating the insights and analyzing. What you will you do when to record your presenting your findings to the senior. The in last task, the visuals you have created, what do you understand from this? What are your findings regarding to that data? How, what is sale revenue? Which is the highest revenue? What are the top 10 countries? This all information you have just present to the CEO and CMO. Okay, just listen this video first. How you have to do this? This is the background information. So clearly present the analysis of all the 4 questions from the previous task. You have to make a 5-minute video regarding the 4 charts and explain how the business is going. Your video should be approximately 5 minutes in length. Okay? This is the model answers here you can see. Okay? These are the model answers. You can open this or see this and you have to directly click on video button. This I have already saved, so I'm not I can't show you how to do this. Okay? Make any 4 to 5 minutes video regarding to the data visuals, what you have understand, what you have to present there. Okay? And just submit it. Next, after completion of program, sir, see, after creating a video and submitting, you will get the answer, example answer, the how should the video to be made. Just write, there's some information about data visuals here. Okay? You can read it afterward when you have completed your task. Complete, just click on complete, submit and finish. Okay. I just completed my task. Here is the interview tip. They are giving some tips. Just click on create and set it. Here you can see I have completed my program. This is my certificates. So I can show you a data minute. This is my certificate that I have already downloaded. So today I have applied for it. Okay. I hope you have understand how to do this task. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.